Okay guys, hopefully I'm not going the wrong way for you. All right, let's get this started again. All right, it's time for me to take out my meat. So what I did was I took my ground beef and I put it in our large macro cooker. And I'm going to break it up now. I did 3 minutes on high. I'm gonna try and find my mix and chop. Okay, see, look down in here. And I'm just gonna break up these big pieces here, okay? We are having tacos. Quickest, easiest way to make your tacos, microwave your beef. If you're doing bulk cooking, microwave a bunch of meat in here. Just keep mixing it, twisting it, just like this. See? Okay, so there's still some undone. I only did 3 minutes. It takes about 6 minutes a pound. I'm actually probably only gonna do maybe another 2 minutes on this because it will cook a little bit more once I add the taco seasoning to it. And I can do everything right in this pot, including draining it with this back on. Okay. So I'm just going to pop the lid back on, put it back in the microwave, pop it on for 2 minutes, and then I'm just gonna keep going with the rest of my family pack of chicken breasts. So if y'all, if the other video was okay, I don't know, but basically I'm taking a family pack of chicken breasts and I'm using my closing cut. It's got the springs in it. Use this for everything that you need to cut in half all at once. You got little toddlers, use this to cut all your grapes at once. You're gonna do a fresh salad, put your cherry tomatoes in there and cut it all at once. Cut up your bagels, or do what I'm doing, and don't pay the extra money for chicken cutlets at the store. I was watching a commercial, and it was a commercial for, I think it was Tyson chicken. It's pre-seasoned, pre-cooked, grilled things for a exercise, right, for losing weight. And I've had those before. I don't think they taste very good. You guys can do this yourself. Really, I'm busy. I had a really busy day running kids around from school to the orthodontics to an audition for a talent show to the night. I worked all day today. We're getting ready to go for softball. So, and I'm cooking dinner and trying to prep things ahead. These chicken breasts will only take a few minutes aside, really. Doesn't take that long. So, okay. Cut this through. You just keep going. Look at that. Do not pay extra. We're all down to one breast. It's only taking me a few minutes. Ooh, that one's got a lot of fat on it. That would definitely cause a lot of popping. Hi. Please comment if you're here. Say hello. I don't know who's watching. Love to say hi to you. Thanks for joining. We're just doing some healthy eating, bulk protein cooking for our healthy eating challenge this week. All right, that's my ground beef. So once I get this one cut, we will move on to getting our first chicken breasts on the double burner grill pan. All right, put that down, slice it through. Look at that, we just sliced that whole package, guys. Easy peasy. All right, move this stuff out of the way. Dishwasher safe too, woohoo. Okay, let me just move all this stuff. Get all of our little chicken bits over here. Wash my hands. All right, sorry. Hi, who's here? Sorry. Just doing a big cooking day in between work and softball. Okay, so here we go. Let's check on our ground beef. There, our ground beef is done. Look at all the juice that we can drain off using the holes, okay? So this does have holes in it in the top. Don't pour this down the drain. This is grease. So I'm just going to use my chicken runoff bowl. And look at this, guys. I'm just going to pour it right in, draining my ground beef. You don't have to worry about a hot pan and trying to hold it over things. Okay. Look at all that. Yucky. Now we're going to turn this into some taco meat. Heat up some tortillas, shred some cheese, put out stuff for a taco bar, and we are done. Dinner is ready. All right? So let's finish that. You guys can bulk cook this and freeze this meat, store it for later. Yes, I'm just using some regular taco seasoning. Okay, I think we need a 1/4 cup of this. And we need about 2/3 cup. So I think this is a 1/4 cup. Yes, a 1/4 cup for 1 pound. Yeah, it's cooking. We don't need to be exact with this. Definitely don't want it too spicy. Okay, and we're going to add our 2/3 cup of water. All right, done. All right, use my mix and chop. We're going to mix that all together. Get the rest of that ground beef all done. Hey, Barbara. It's already 5:40 our time way out here. I'm trying to sneak in some dinner and some bulk protein cooking this week before we have to run out to softball. So, hi. Okay. So now we need to take this and we're just going to heat up. Oops. Heat this all up together till that sauce gets nice and thick. All in the microwave in just 6 minutes, really. Another 2 minutes on that. Okay, so now I've got all of my sliced up chicken using my closing cut. All right, you guys can use whatever oil. I know, healthy cooking, right, but let's be real, okay? At least I'm getting some homemade chicken breast done. All right, we're not looking for perfection here. Now, I only put a little bit of oil on there, and I'm just gonna season with some salt and pepper and turn this all around because I want this to be able to be used in casseroles. I didn't want a particular flavor. So I'm just gonna turn this all around and then we're gonna use our new double burner. I got the double burner grill pan. So Barbara, let me move you over here. Look, yay. I'm gonna come over this way. I've got the double burner pan here. Isn't that awesome? Okay. Now, for any of you that love our grill pan, this is the first time I am using our double burner grill pan. So I'm super excited to be using this for the first time today. Okay, so I've cut all of these into the cutlets. I'm just using a little light salt and pepper. I think I need a little bit down here, and I'm going to fit as many as I can, and these are going to cook anywhere from 2 to 4 minutes a side, and then really we're just going to let these cool, and then we can freeze them. We can chop some up and put that away so that you can pull it out for casseroles. You can put this on a sandwich. You can heat it up for dinner later and just add some steamed veggies or a salad, chop it up for a salad. It's the easiest way to cook quick. So if I can fit this in between full-time job, auditions, orthodontics appointments, and softball, I'm sure you can too. This feels really, really hot. I gotta turn this down for sure. Just set down my drill press. All right. This is our non-stick double burner grill pan. Got a whole family pack of chicken breast here. All right. Ooh, listen to that. Yeah, I better turn that down. It does high on this pan is about 4 or 5 on your at home. So you don't really want to go above 5. You can tell I'm really, really searing hot here. Okay. All right. So that's it. That's what I'm going to be doing tonight, just for the next couple minutes, turning those over and getting tacos ready. Let's check out our tacos and our micro cooker. Okay, look at that. We got our taco meat. Again, you can bulk cook this, maybe double it. Do 2 pounds at once. You could make this a gluten-free version if you didn't want to use the McCormick brand. Throwing some seasonings there. I'm just going to let that rest, and then I'm just going to grate up some cheese while my chicken's cooking. And then we'll be ready. Put my lid on if I look at it the right direction. There we go. That'll just stay nice and hot. So, all right. I can see a nice sear getting on these over here. Okay, guys. Oh, well, it would help if it was clean. Let me see. I like this. Wipey, 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 wipey. Stuck in my little bowl here. Okay. There we go. Tip for you. This is the, oh, it looks like it got, that's real cooking for you guys. Let's get you clean. Yeah, you can see now. Yay. The lid to this bowl over here, our bowl, the lid makes a really good place for you to grate your cheese. Okay. So here's our cheese grater. Use your lid bowl and just grate your cheese right into there. Super easy, and then you can move your cheese around too. I like to use that way. Oopsie dokie. Make sure we stay nice and warm. Alright. Now we are having a sale on our cookware for the month of February, so go ahead and go to my website and check that out. Okay, I am shredding my own cheese. That way we can avoid the fillers like wood pulp. See, right there on the, isn't that cool? So if you guys ever wonder, how does she do it all? I just go crazy like mad. Use my tools to make everything easier. Look how quick. Look, I'm already halfway through a block of cheese. It does not take a lot of time to grate your own cheese at all. Look at that wonderful pile of yummy melty cheese for tacos. Tacos. Okay, that's probably good enough for our tacos tonight. Alrighty. Cheese done. Very good. Very, very good. And I'm going to get our tortillas. Okay, tortillas. There we go. You could also do walking tacos if you wanted. You could do walking tacos with like little bags of Doritos. I know my kids do like those. My son might have to do that tonight because I don't have crunchy tacos, so he might have to grab a bag of Doritos. But I just take these on a microwave safe plate. And I just add a couple of tortillas wrapped in paper towels. Keep it moist. And pop it in here. Russ, you want to grab some plates? Pop it for 30 seconds. Alright, let's check on our... Let's check on our chicken. Hold on. Alright. Alrighty. Wow, look at that, guys. I know, Barbara, you have a, uh-oh. There it Barbara, you guys love your grill pan. I know you do. Look at those wonderful grill marks. Okay, so this chicken is almost done, and we're just going to keep adding until we are done. So easy peasy. Okay. All right. Alright, I'm actually going to heat up some cheese dip from the Super Bowl. The kids love cheese dip. Cheese dip! Who loves cheese dip? Okay, here's the cheese. Come over here. Alrighty. Alright. So if I can swing over here, I am just setting up our tacos over there. I'm just going to carry the taco meat and give them a spoon, and they can start serving up. Come to dinner. So we are actively eating dinner. Live on Facebook. Okay. Are you still watching, Barbara? I can't see any comments. Hope you're enjoying it. Let me get a plate to put this chicken. All right, go serve up your tacos. Brandon, you can do walking tacos if you want to grab a burrito from there. All right, there's your spoon. So, live action happening. We've got the family having having their tacos while Mama's trying to finish up here.
So can I eat all the
Oh, right there. That's probably a better angle. All right, let me get a plate. I need a plate for the chicken.
I'm gonna eat all the Doritos and then I'm gonna put it in the pot.
You have one bag of Doritos left. Okay, Sarah, can you help Daddy? Okay, so we got a plate here. All right, here we go. All right, there is our lovely chicken.
I get you.
All right, we'll turn that off really quick. All right, so now we're gonna lay down more chicken.
Is there enough?
Yes, babe.
Can I use these?
Is there not enough?
Let me turn. Which one do I need to turn up?
I just have one time.
Okay. Yeah, Daddy got plates out. Where did they go, Daddy? Okay. All right. All right. Turn this up just a little bit. There we go. So there you go, guys. We have some grilled chicken. Putting the last ones on, and that's it. That did not take that long to get a head start on this week's healthy eating meals. So we've got chicken for recipes, and I just stick all this stuff in the dishwasher. And that's it. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. We're just going to cook up the rest of that chicken. We've got this other chicken all steamy hot there, and I'm going to go grab some dinner before we have to head out the door. So see you later.